Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Matt. Today we're at St. Croix State Park. I'm here with Natalie, Maya, Amirah. We rolled in last night. Today's July 3rd. It's going to be a classic July weekend. It's already hot and muggy here early in the morning. It's supposed to be about 95 today. So we're going to probably try and do maybe a short hike in the shade. We'll see. Do some swimming, trying to stay cool. Just trying to avoid some of the heat and the mugginess this weekend. But it's bound to be a scorcher, but it's nice to have the family along, and thanks for tagging along. You ready to go swimming?
Yep.
All right, let's go. I'm surprised at how few people are here.
I know, it's so hot.
Yeah, let's get a table in the shade over here. Well, that was a good swim.
It was.
It was kind of refreshing. The bottom is a little bit on the mucky side, but lots of hot pockets of water in the lake, so it's pretty comfy.
Yep, lots of fun.
Yeah, nice way to cool off in a hot afternoon. Well, should we head back to the camp?
Sounds good.
See what the kids are doing?
Yeah.
All right. Tonight for dinner we're having pork chops and some hash browns on the Blackstone. Pretty simple meal. This one?
Sure.
Okay. And then some hash browns.
Okay.
Yep. And Amiya, no barbecue sauce. And some hash browns. Is that good?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, this looks good. Oh, pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So we just had a rain shower go through. Poured for probably about 10 minutes, but it was nice because it probably knocked about 10 degrees off temperature too. I think we're gonna make some s'mores now. Maya already made hers, so I got my ingredients out here and we'll get the marshmallow roasted up on the fire. That should work. Well, I think that's about done. It looks like it's gonna fall off, yeah. Oh, that looks good. Oh. That's good. I suppose you want me to make you a fire now too? I can do that. I can do that for you. Hey, good morning. We slept pretty good last night. Rained a little bit. The rain eventually sent us inside last night. It started coming down. It just wasn't worth sitting outside around the fire anymore. But today, probably be sitting around the fire some more. We're gonna cook some good food today. And our oldest daughter, Grace, is coming up from Minneapolis today. So we're gonna enjoy spending some time with her. I do cheat a little bit with the water in the mornings if I have electricity for the microwave. Get one more piece maybe for next to that one. There we go.
Awesome.
Is that good?
Awesome.
Well, this is a perfect fire that I built. Did you finish that Coke already?
And they finished the water too.
Holy cow, I haven't had anything to drink yet. I have my tea right here. I haven't had any of it yet. And I only made that out of habit. I'm not even thirsty.
Yeah. Okay. You're welcome. Either way, if you get to a postcard, that's a stamp, you get points. You get points for filling out the whole row, you get an extra 5.
Mm-hmm.
You get points for, some of them are marked fragile, you get points for that. You get points for delivering on the same turn as you pick it up. Draw one more card, and then play. And that, yeah.
And then I get a stamp for being where?
You get a wolf stamp, and you get a letter stamp.
Because this was a letter.
Yeah.
This one was a letter.
Yeah.
Okay. Delivered. Okay, and then, so that was one turn. You're saying now I cannot draw?
Correct, because you've already moved. So you either have to use your bicycle card or the cards in your hand.
Well, I don't want to do that.
I'm gonna do a mail jump to here. And I'm gonna motorbike to drop off a package. There's a blue one.
Which oh, by the way, this one here goes right here. And then the train to there.
Oh.
Put that back. The gray one goes back there.
So you get hometown and same day and letter.
Letter, same day, hometown, and
the bicycle. Wow, it was a lot of stamps in one
now
turn.
I'm winning.
Yeah. I need a turn like that, that's the problem. Oh,
Let's add up my points, and then let's add up your points.
well, let me see your score sheet.
Okay.
You have, let's see, 50, 65 plus 20, 85, 95 plus 6, 101.
Minus 3.
Minus 3, 98.
I have 98, okay.
Okay, I have 39, 44, 54, 56.
I don't think I've ever had one. Maybe
That's
I have.
the fullest card that I've probably seen ever out of like all the times we've ever played.
Yeah, that's
And I think it's
good.
pretty much mostly only been you and me. I mean, I get that you get more points in a 2-player game, but I think it's mostly been you and I, because nobody else ever wants to play board games with us.
Yeah. I put Grace to work cutting up some of the veggies. We're having pork fried rice tonight. So we're gonna throw down some oil. We got broccoli on one side we're gonna cook. And then onions, green pepper, and some green onion on the other side. Well, the wind has really started picking up here. Looks like some dark stuff coming in. Yeah, that kind of looks like rain coming there. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get wet here. Hopefully the rain holds off till we're done cooking. Make some room for the rice and the pork. So I cooked up this pork yesterday. We're really just reheating it. And same with the rice. We cooked up the rice yesterday as well. Yeah, so for this meal, we're going to use Bashan's miso sauce. We'll season it up with some of that. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I think I could have used a little more sauce. But
I like mine the way it is.
I usually like more sauce than everybody else. Well, the rain's definitely coming. We got things kind of tidied up and squared away. Got the awning rolled up and chairs all picked up and ready for the rain now. I hear the thunder quite a bit, but just a couple drops so far. So we'll sit around in the fire, enjoy the time that we can outside before the rain hits. It's kind of funny because like some of the campers, the awnings are all rolled up and all their stuff's put away. It's like they just got here. In other campers, there's stuff spread all over from one end to the other, and it's like they're oblivious to the storm coming. Hey, good morning. Slept pretty good in the camper last night. Had the windows open all night, so that was pretty nice. I think it rained a little bit, but pretty nice. Today we're going to sit around the fire a little bit. I think we'll walk down to the canoe landing here on the river just a little bit later, and then probably pack up, head home. We got about a 4-hour drive to get home, so probably head home right after lunch. Should we walk down to the canoe landing? All right, let's go.
Okay.
This looks like the way here.
Okay.
Remember the last time we were here? We had Elvis with. And he did not, that was his first time in the canoe. He did not like being in the canoe.
Nope, he jumped out like
He
10
jumped out.
times.
We were in the weeds right over here. Yeah, he jumped out. We finally gave up. It was full of mud. It was a mess.
It was.
I think Hope took him to the shower and washed him off in the shower. Yeah, for lunch we're gonna make just some quick chili dogs on the Blackstone, and then we're gonna pack up and head home. This is really simple. It's just gonna be some hot dogs on here. Then I just got some Hormel chili with no beans, and a few spoonfuls of that. We'll just heat that up on the grill. Is it good? Good.
Very good.
Good, good. With ketchup, huh? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, look at this. Oh. Mm. That's good. I think I need a napkin. Hey, thanks for coming along. I sure appreciate it. It's kind of a hot weekend. We didn't really do much, just kind of laid around, did a little bit of exploring, but played some games, had some good quality time. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.